Greetings everyone. Welcome to the April edition of Divine News, bringing you the latest updates and events that took place in Divine Child International School. I'm Nataksh.
नमस्ते मित्रों, मैं हूं संयुक्ता और आप सबका स्वागत है डिवाइन न्यूज़ के अप्रैल संस्करण में।
Let's dive into the exciting events that took place in our school this April. Our top news for this edition: the vibrant celebration of International Dance Day at our school. The celebration took place on 29th and 30th of April, starting with a special assembly where the students showcased their dancing talents. The performances ranged from mesmerizing fusion dances to graceful Kathak routines, captivating the audience with their energy and their creativity. The highlights of the celebration was when the entire school came together to dance, spreading joy and celebrating the universal language of dance.
वाह, यह तो बहुत ही शानदार था। वैसे इस एडिशन के लिए हम अपने स्कूल के सबसे सीनियर ग्रेड के छात्रों से उनके अनुभव और सीखों के बारे में पूछेंगे, लेकिन इससे पहले चलिए देखते हैं अप्रैल महीने में क्या क्या हुआ।
First up, we had the Parents Orientation Session where the parents were acquainted with the school policies, curriculum and guidelines, fostering a strong parent-school partnership. This session aimed to ensure that parents are well informed and actively involved in their child's educational journey. Our teachers also took part in a training session to enhance their teaching skills and keep them updated with the latest teaching methods. The training aimed to ensure that our teachers are well equipped and to provide high quality education to our students.
प्राथमिक चिकित्सा कौशलों को बढ़ावा देने के लिए ग्रेड 9th और 10th के छात्रों को अखिल भारतीय तेरापंथ युवक परिषद द्वारा परीक्षित किया गया कि फर्स्ट एड स्थितियों का कैसे सामना करना है। यह परीक्षण छात्रों को फर्स्ट एड रिस्पोंडेंट्स बनाने और आपात स्थितियों का सामना करने के लिए प्रभावी तरीके से संभालने की क्षमता प्रदान करता है।
The pre-primary students had a blast at the pool party, enjoying a day filled with fun activities. They splashed around in the water, played games, and had memorable time with their friends and teachers.
हमने अर्थ डे को बड़े उत्साह से मनाया, जिसमें ग्रेड 1 और 2 के छात्रों ने विशेष सभाओं, कलाओं और शिल्प गतिविधियों में भाग लिया। पोस्टर बनाना, पेड़ लगाना ऐसी गतिविधियों का हिस्सा बने। उन्होंने पेड़ों को लगाकर पर्यावरण के प्रति अपनी संवेदनशीलता का संदेश दिया, पर्यावरण संरक्षण की महत्वपूर्ण पर ध्यान दिलाया।
As part of career guidance, an orientation session was conducted by EduProtect, providing valuable insights for the students. This session was a crucial step towards receiving higher education and career-related guidance.
हमने वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज डे को क्विज और ड्राइंग के साथ मनाया, जिससे छात्रों को हमारी समृद्ध धरोहर के बारे में सीखने और मूल्यांकन करने का प्रोत्साहन मिला। इस अद्वितीय दिन की एक और विशेषता थी, विद्यार्थियों ने इस दिन को अपने जीवन में यादगार बनाने के लिए चित्रकला और कई अन्य क्रियाओं के माध्यम से धार्मिकता, समर्पण और सेवा के महत्व को समझने का प्रयास किया।
Good morning. Today during the CCA period we celebrated the Heritage Day and there was the Inter-House Heritage Quiz in which all the house did a great job.
Today is World Heritage Day. We are DCA students. We participated this day and we made many drawings. We participated with enthusiasm and we will be happy to draw and celebrate Heritage Day.
The CCA events this month included a World Heritage Quiz and heritage drawings in the observance of the World Heritage Day. Additionally, there was a debate competition for the higher grade students.
Good morning, I'm Pujvi.
Good morning, I'm Shanaya.
And I was speaking for the motion in the debate that happened in our school today.
And I was for against the motion. Today in our school the debate happened on the topic, does technology enhance interpersonal communication?
Interpersonal communication is something which we have conversations between people, and technology has been enabling us to increase the communication.
This debate was organized by the CCA department of this school. It has surely helped us in enhancing our verbal communication and how to think on the spot points which will come in our mind while answering the interjector.
इस महीने फील्ड ट्रिप भी एक महत्वपूर्ण घटना रही, ग्रेड 3 के छात्रों ने मधुर डेयरी की यात्रा की, जहां उन्होंने डेयरी फार्मिंग और दूध उत्पादन की प्रक्रिया के बारे में सीखा। दूसरी ओर ग्रेड 4 के छात्रों ने ब्लाइंड पीपल्स एसोसिएशन की यात्रा की, जहां उन्होंने अंध विशेष व्यक्तियों से बातचीत की और उनके जीवन के बारे में मूल्यवान अनुभव प्राप्त किया। ये यात्राएं सिर्फ शैक्षिक ही नहीं थी, बल्कि छात्रों को उनके आसपास की दुनिया के प्रति एक व्यापक दृष्टिकोण भी प्रदान किया।
And now, let's talk about some new exciting things coming to our school this year.
Do you know, Nataksh, that all our classrooms are now equipped with smart interactive digital boards?
Yes, that's fantastic. These digital boards will surely make our learning sessions more interactive and engaging.
Absolutely. And that's not all. We also have some new sports facilities at our school.
Wow, what's on the sports front?
We have volleyball and basketball as new additions to sports activities. It is going to be so much fun.
With these new facilities, our school is slowly becoming more vibrant and dynamic. Another exciting initiative taken by our school is the Divine Radio, a platform which plays during breakfast.
Yes, this platform will help the students to delve into the world of RJing, discussing about various topics and playing music. Now, for the most awaited part, we went around the school looking for 12th graders and asked them to share their experiences and thoughts. Let's hear them.
Hello, I'm Manya Desai and I study in grade 12 Commerce. I've been in the school for 8 years and it has made me into the person that I am today. I couldn't possibly be where I am today if it wasn't for the school. All of the teachers always pay a lot of attention to you excelling in all fields that you can and you experiencing a lot of growth in your character and you having all kinds of development, not only academic but in terms of personality and in terms of even sports. I'm an international tennis player and having sports and hobbies in the school has also made me take so many steps further in my career, and I'm so grateful that I had tennis as a hobby option in the school, so I could also practice while focusing on my academics.
Hello, I'm a student of Class 12th Humanities and I joined DCIS last year. Since then, the opportunities have been amazing. The teachers and the faculties push you forward to expand your limits and to push your creativity onto the paper or the projects. In the future, I would like to pursue creative field, especially in NID, and I believe that the abilities that the teachers are teaching us here will definitely help me in the future.
DCIS has always been more than a family to me, from the first day at the school to the last year here. It has always helped me cultivate the values of leadership, respect and honesty. More than that, we believe as in youth of this country we can make a better change. Similarly to that, we organized the Divine Model United Nations Chapter 6. It was a successful event with more than 200 delegates, including debates, discussions and deliberations. We believe here that Model UNs help us to cultivate the values of leadership and help us to bring a better change into the functioning of this government and the country. DCIS, we not only believe that academics help us to improve ourselves, but co-curricular activities and many other sports. One such opportunity was provided by our school was Navratri celebration. The Divine Orchestra, composed of the only DCIS students, helped us to understand how such big concerts take place. Simultaneously, we had the opportunity to set up our own stalls, inculcating the values of business skills and entrepreneurship. I was also the part of it. I organized a water stall. Such opportunities helped me to understand how business takes place.
Hello everyone, so I am a science student currently studying in 12th Science and I was a former member of the DCIS Student Council. First of all, I would like to thank all the teachers and the faculty members of the school for their outstanding performance in pushing us to the extracurricular activities too, and also for the academic related help which we need. I also would point out to the fact that our school provides a lot of options in the terms of optional subjects, which adds on to our experience and hones our skills. And as a member of the Student Council, I would like to say my expectations from this batch of Student Council would be to be more accountable and helpful. Thank you.
As I walked past through the familiar corridors, I was reminiscent of the past memories. The past year, which was full of opportunities, achievements and experiences. I am grateful to the entire DCIS family for giving me the opportunity of serving as the Vice Captain of DCIS. Throughout this year, we as a part of Student Council have achieved various feats, and the biggest one of them being the student-led Divine Fest. With more than 30 schools participating, this entire event was led by students. The student and the Student Council worked hand in hand to make this event a successful one. Not only this, we handled motivational sessions for grade 10 students, where we motivated them for their upcoming board exams. And also, Sports Day was organized with great enthusiasm and energy. From Teachers' Day to farewell, there were so many events that took place throughout the entire year. But yet, it does seem that the year ended too fast, isn't it? Well, as I enter grade 12th, it is a bittersweet moment. I feel very happy to be the senior most in school, and yet sad to be sharing this moment for the very last time. But yes, I have great hopes from the future Student Council. I hope that you lead the path of our seniors, bring knowledge to the school, and at most make us and the teachers proud. Thank you so much and all the very best.
तो ये थे हमारे सीनियर्स के विचार.
Now, before we wind up, let us hear a message from a senior-most mentor who is a guiding light for everybody at the school.
Hi, greetings from Divine Child International School. I welcome you all to another exciting academic year ahead. DCIS is committed to be a school that walks the talk. We try our level best to deliver what we promise. Our vision is to prepare the children for life. We want to transform these young minds to be responsible citizens. They should be good human beings, whatever the profession they are going to choose, no matter, but they should grow as good human beings who value humans irrespective of all social barriers. We want to see them growing as great leaders, professionals who are going to transform the entire society, who are going to be a role model for others in everything what they do. We expect the wholehearted cooperation from all our dear parents. We wish all the good luck for the upcoming year. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for always motivating us. We will surely keep the DCIS spirit alive and be better citizens of this world.
And that wraps up our April edition of Divine News. We hope you enjoyed getting a glimpse into the events and activities that took place in DCIS.
DCIS से अधिक अपडेट्स के लिए जुड़े रहे. हमारे साथ बने रहने के लिए धन्यवाद.
अगली बार तक स्वस्थ रहे, सुरक्षित रहे.